I'm Vanessa Joy here for Adorama TV, and you are joining me on a real maternity session. Ooh, that's a bee. Go away. We are here in New Jersey, where there's bees, and we are at the Craig House. This is actually a very historic site. If you want to know a little bit about history, this is one of the places that the Battle of Monmouth was fought, and this old farmhouse behind me was turned into a British hospital during the war. You could look that up. Yeah, we've been really lucking out with the weather. Amazing. Then go ahead and turn around and walk back towards me. I love the underbelly. And make sure you always keep an arm bent there so there's a little bit of space. Walk like you're on a balance beam, so like one foot in front of the other. Oh, cute. You know what? Stop right there. I love this. Henry, you can put your hand in your pant pocket. And then, Jenna, kind of turn a little towards him. Love it. And look at me for one. And then lean your head on him, and you guys can both look off that way. Yeah. And turn towards me for one. You keep your hand in your pant pocket. We'll do the first one with you just kind of holding on to baby. Your faces aren't in this one. I mean, you could smile if you're happy, but you don't have to. Go underneath her arm and find her hand there. Yes. So super awkward on top. I'm only looking at your hand, so. And then if you want to, you guys can do the little heart. It's so tiny. Almost like kiss her on the temple, like I get your lips in there, close your eyes, it's cute. And Jenny, you can look towards me. All right, so I'm gonna do a couple of you by yourself. Okay. And then I'm gonna put you to work if that's okay. That's fine. All right. A little closer to her, actually. Now you know what she does. She's like, well, I can't see. And then you can like rub the baby. So do one hand up, one down, and then look at me. Nice. Give me that side of your face. Oh yeah, and play with your hair. That was cute too. Do that too, yeah. Oh, I love that. Stay right there. It's really pretty. She photographs so nicely. The lashes look really good and they're super cute together, so makes my job easy. All right, you guys are gonna take 2 more steps that way. Right there, Jenna is perfect. And then look at me for one. I know the sun is super obnoxious. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right. If you want a little more posing inspiration, check out my posing inspiration guide. It's good for individuals, couples, and groups. I think I might actually have you here because this has like a greenish tint, but this brown looks really good against your skin, Jenna. Nice. I'm just going to get that obnoxiously close to you. Aw, can you do that again? Push your hair back. That was really cute. You guys are going to walk towards Rob. You can hold with your left hand, Henry. You're gonna reach for her hand, yep. Slowly lead her, don't let her trip. Walk forward. Nice. And then you can switch. And then give Jenna a kiss on her temple. Beautiful. It's the black side, but it stops the green from shining on her. Nobody wants Martian green face. Nice, and then go ahead, alternate like where your hands are. Does she kick a lot? Yes. This is the best thing ever. Go ahead and Jenna look towards Henry. Nice. Can you guys lean in for a kiss? Or do you have to do tippy toes? I love the tippy toes. Henry, take like a lean this way kind of. Yes. That's it, perfect. That way when she goes to look at you, you're not like, you know, right way behind her. You just kind of like, we're gonna snuggle into him. Close your eyes, yeah. Stay right there. Nice, and then switch, like turn the other way. Look towards each other. And then going for a kiss there. Perfect. And this time when you walk, you can do it like a little tipsy. Well, you are pregnant. I can't pull her. And then look towards me for one. And then you're gonna walk towards me, looking at each other. Cute. Maybe give her a kiss on the forehead. And then go ahead and look at me. Look at me and walk at the same time, all the things. Nice. And the hands that you guys have down there, put on top of the baby. So, nope, hold under his, yes, like that. And then both of you guys look at me. And be your last one. See, Henry smile now. So Jenna is a photographer. We will put her information below so you can go see her work as well. How is it being on the other side of the camera?
I love it.
Really good. Yes. So many photographers are like, never again. But yeah, it's a good experience. If you are a photographer, I recommend you get your picture taken fairly often, like at least once a year. So you get that other side of it and you know how your clients feel. And if you're doing it wrong. I hope you enjoyed tagging along on this maternity session. Let me know if I've given you any tips at all that you can use on your next shoot. I'm here for Adorama TV. Bye. Oh, hit subscribe, ring the bell. Bye.